Dust Cleaner keeps PC keyboards debris-free, improves typing performance, prevents key damage, and extends lifespan while maintaining hygiene and efficiency. Today's video is about top 5 best dust cleaner for PC keyboard that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at IT Duster's Air Duster Blower for PC keyboard, the AirTec Type 6 Air Duster stands out as a powerful, professional-grade cleaning tool designed for both tech enthusiasts and industrial users. With its upgraded 480W motor, it delivers impressive airflow up to 125 miles per hour, making it highly effective for removing stubborn dust from PCs, consoles, servers, and even household appliances like fans and radiators. Its dual-stage functionality allows you to switch between gentle cleaning for delicate components and maximum power for tougher jobs. The inclusion of 6 interchangeable nozzles and 3 ESD-safe brushes adds versatility, helping tackle everything from tight crevices to heavily caked dust. Built with ESD-protected ABS housing, it ensures safe operation around sensitive electronics. The ergonomic design and simple one-button control make it easy to use, while the 3-meter power cord provides flexibility without the need for recharging or refills. Overall, the AirTec Type 6 is a reliable, eco-friendly alternative to canned air, offering consistent performance and long-term value. Now our second product is Fresmol Compressed Air Duster. This cordless air duster delivers impressive performance with its high-speed 100,000 revolutions per minute motor and 3 adjustable airflow levels, making it suitable for both light and heavy-duty cleaning. Whether you're dusting delicate electronics or tackling stubborn debris, the customizable power range ensures efficient results every time. The built-in 7500 mAh battery provides 20 to 40 minutes of runtime, and with Type-C fast charging, it's fully powered in just a few hours. The LED display is a useful addition, letting you monitor battery life and airflow settings at a glance. As a reusable alternative to compressed air cans, it's both eco-friendly and cost-effective. The integrated LED light also helps clean dark or hard-to-reach areas with ease. Versatility is another strong point, thanks to 5 nozzles and 3 brushes that handle everything from keyboards and car interiors to inflating small items. Lightweight and portable, it's comfortable to use and easy to carry, while built-in safety protections ensure reliable operation. Overall, it's a practical, all-in-one cleaning solution for home, office, and car use. Our third product is Pomels Powerful Electric Air Duster. This electric air duster offers powerful cleaning performance with an impressive 110,000 revolutions per minute airflow, making it highly effective for removing dust from keyboards, laptops, cameras, and car vents. It's a strong alternative to traditional compressed air, delivering consistent power without pressure loss, even in tight corners or window tracks. Designed as a multi-purpose tool, it includes 5 nozzles and 4 brushes, allowing you to handle a wide range of tasks, from cleaning electronics and sofas to inflating balloons and air mattresses. The built-in LED light is especially useful for illuminating dark or hard-to-reach areas. Its rechargeable battery provides long-lasting use, while Type-C fast charging ensures convenience whether you're at home or on the go. The cordless, lightweight design combined with an ergonomic grip and 3-speed settings gives you full control and flexibility. Eco-friendly and cost-efficient, this reusable air duster eliminates the need for disposable cans. Overall, it's a versatile and reliable solution for everyday cleaning, both indoors and outdoors. Now number 4, Yoton Compressed Air Duster. The Yoton Electric Air Duster impresses with its upgraded 110,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, delivering noticeably stronger airflow than standard models. It easily blasts away stubborn dust from PC towers, keyboards, and delicate electronics without the need for direct contact, making it both efficient and safe. Its versatility is a major highlight. This device replaces disposable compressed air cans with 100 dry air, making it perfect for cleaning car interiors, sofas, pet hair, and even intricate gadgets. With 3 adjustable power modes, it adapts well to different tasks, from gentle cleaning of sensitive items to tackling heavy debris. The 5000 mAh battery provides excellent endurance, offering up to 4 hours of runtime on low settings, while Type-C fast charging keeps downtime minimal. Despite its power, it remains lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry and operate with one hand. The included storage bag keeps everything organized for travel or daily use. Backed by a 12-month warranty and responsive customer support, the Yoton air duster is a reliable, portable, and eco-friendly cleaning solution. And our last choice is Vasson dust cleaner for keyboard. This compressed air duster stands out with its ultra-powerful 260,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, delivering up to 45 meters per second wind speed and strong 260 G pressure. It handles stubborn dust and debris effortlessly, while 3 adjustable speed settings let you fine-tune airflow for delicate electronics or heavy-duty cleaning. Designed for versatility, it includes 5 nozzles, a brush, and a storage bag, making it suitable for keyboards, PC towers, car vents, and even tasks like inflating items or starting a barbecue. Despite its power, the unit remains lightweight at just 0.68 pounds, making it easy to carry and use anywhere. The battery performance is impressive, offering up to 150 minutes of runtime on low and fully recharging in about 3 hours via Type-C. Safety features like overheat protection and a comfortable silicone handle enhance reliability, while built-in battery protection ensures safe charging. Overall, this air duster combines extreme power, portability, and smart safety features, making it a dependable and versatile cleaning tool for home, office, or outdoor use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.